Hey, Sam, who is dog? Non-desca. Non-desca or dog?
Love this bus. Oh, good. Perfect. Hello. Hello. I'm Randy. Hi, Randy.
It just started to rain. First rain of the season, and also apparently the first storm, because I hear thunder, lightning. Yeah, hear thunder, see lightning. Come on, Jacob. The dog's like freaking out. Look at him. Sam. Probably shouldn't have the camera. I might get electrocuted. But it's so worth it. What? No, put those away. I don't care. Ah. Come on. We need to run through the rain together. Yay! Hi, Sam. Are you at peace? Okay, that's a lot of water. Oh my god. Rain! Rain! Rain!
Tan food.
Yeah. I have tan lines with my foot swaps. It's so cool. My foot's so wet.
But your lens isn't. Like everything else.
Yeah. Grab a soda real quick. Where are you going? He's going. Where are you going? You gonna play in the water? Good day. Now I'm gonna have to find a change of clothes. cafeteria.
Beep, beep, boop, boop, I boop.
I got Earl Grey ice cream inside this donut and it's melting on me.
So you liked it?
Yeah, it was very good. I would go there again, except for I need Jacob to teach me the proper way to eat them because I needed to wash my hands.
That's how I was on my first time.
It was so messy. Like, I thought all the ice cream was just gonna fall out.
That was me, Brian, and Mom on our first time. And we were inside, so it was all over like the table. It was so good though.
Yeah, I tried the Earl Grey. They had like an Earl Grey ice cream. Because I've heard of like green tea flavored ice cream, but never like Earl Grey and like other types of teas. So I tried that one. It was really good. It was like slightly vanilla and probably one of my favorite ice creams I've had. Hi everybody, I just dropped Jacob back off home and then now I am home and well, so my vlog yesterday, I haven't posted it as of yet, even though it was the first day of Vlogtober and all of that, but I'd finally gotten it rendered and then apparently I deleted the render and by that time I had already deleted some of the footage of me like waking up and saying hi. So that sucks that I kind of lost that, like the very first beginning piece, but what can you do? I feel like Vlogtober is here for me to learn how to do this. So yeah, I'm just gonna export it with the missing pieces and sorry. But it's better to get it out and it be faulty than to not get it out at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that render on my phone and I'm gonna get in my pajamas and yeah, I'm gonna get in my pajamas, wait for that to render and post, and then I'll talk to you guys again. It's finally uploading. But I'm in my onesie because you know it rained today, so that means it's cold, so that means I get to wear my fun pajamas. But I think this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog because I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and I think begin to edit today's video so it's ready to go tomorrow. Yeah, so you won't be missing much. I'm just gonna be laying in my bed, honestly. But I'll say hi in the morning and we'll start day 3. Damn, why is this year going so fast? I don't know. Yeah. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I hope you don't have bed bugs. See you in the morning.